Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on ONDO. We are looking at ONDO over USDT 1 hour chart. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. This setup looks really bullish, guys. Look at this. We have this lower ascending green trend line that has been acting as support. The price action of ONDO has been bouncing above this green support over and over again. As long as we remain above it, things remain bullish. But if the price action breaks below this and we lose this support, things are going to turn bearish, at least in my view. If this happens, I am going to exit all my positions when it comes to ONDO. But we're still above it, so things look pretty good. So during the first bounce, what actually happened was that ONDO pumped all the way up to 92, 93 cents. Then traders and investors took profits, and the price action pulled back, forming this triangle pattern that I have here on the chart. It was downtrending, then we saw a very nice break above the triangle pattern, a retest, and a continuation move to the upside. ONDO hit $1 after this move. That was a measured move of approximately 20%. Huge move out of ONDO. Then again, traders and investors took profits, and we saw some kind of a double top idea here, and the price action pulled back, started downtrending, forming another triangle pattern. Look at this, beautiful. After this downtrend ended, we saw another bounce at this key green support. Then we had a very nice breakout with an explosive move to the upside, where ONDO pumped all the way up to $1.11. Then again, traders and investors took profits. We saw some kind of a double top idea here. The price action pulled back again, forming another triangle pattern. Look at this. At this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, and also this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The price action has been getting rejected here. And as you see, the price action is currently testing this resistance trend line. So if we see a breakout here, guys, make sure that the breakout is accompanied with a lot of volume. Use volume as confirmation. What I am planning to do is I'm going to buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside in order to take profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. The first target is located at $1.11. That's the previous all-time high according to Binance that we saw back in early May. The measured move from the current price levels to this first target, that's approximately a 17% move. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $1.22. And this is my short-term price prediction when it comes to ONDO. Please, let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for ONDO for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish? I really want to know what you guys think. That's a measured move of approximately 28% from the current price levels. Remember, guys, ONDO has a market capitalization of almost 3 billion. It's well into the billions already. This is a heavy token, and therefore, it needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it. It's not going to move easily. Therefore, an 18 or a 28% move out of ONDO is a huge move. This is a big deal. So, as I always tell you guys, buying the breakout is always the safer way to trade this, because this can potentially be the beginning of a change of trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. But if the price action gets rejected here and we see some kind of a fake out and a pullback, what I am doing is I am watching for another pullback all the way down to this green support. If this happens, this can potentially be a very good buying opportunity for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, trying to front run the break above the triangle pattern for more profits. But be careful, because trying to front run the breakout is always riskier. So, for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider accumulating ONDO if we see a pullback all the way down to this green support again, and set up a stop loss right below the green support just in case the price action decides to pull back. So we can take a small loss and move on to the next trade, or wait for some more structure in order to find a new entry when it comes to ONDO. Now, for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, buying the break above this pattern, and as you see, ONDO is pumping right now, it's going crazy. Buy the breakout and set up a stop loss right below this resistance trend line just in case we see a fake out and the price action pulls back. So we can take a small loss and wait for more structure again, or move on to the next trade. Of course, if the price action gets rejected here and we see another pullback all the way down to this green support, the measured moves are going to become even greater, guys. Look at this, a measured move from this green support to the first target, that's a 25% move compared to a 17% move that we saw earlier from the breakout. And the measured move to the second target that I have here on the chart, that's a 37% move. That's why trying to front run the breakout can be more rewarding, but at the same time is way riskier, because we are still buying inside the downtrend. while buying the breakout, you're potentially buying the break out of the downtrend. And this is why it's safer. Always, 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 no matter what you do, make sure that you set up a stop loss, guys. I can't emphasize this enough. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. If you want to find these trading setups that I talk about on YouTube, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's totally free. Make sure that you join as soon as possible because it's not going to be free forever. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.